Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a really special keyboard from CHILKEY. We had a mouse we reviewed on the channel recently from CHILKEY. It's a really great company, they make really premium products. This is the Slice75 HE. HE stands for Hall effect, so you know we got those magnetic switches. 75 stands for obviously the layout, 75% keyboard, so basically you're missing the numpad keys on the right hand side of the keyboard. It's got this really cool design on the box as well. It says I saw the competition. If I will try to take this out, as you can see, this is really cool. I never seen anybody do this before. It's just a piece of plastic, but it makes so much difference. So yeah, basically this is the box. The box looks absolutely amazing in the silver and black color scheme. If we have a look on the back, we have nothing, just a gray silver box, the bottom of the box, and pretty much that's it. That's all you get in terms of presentation, but I think the front really makes all the difference. It's absolutely amazing. The design, everything, it just matches their slogan right here that says I saw the competition. It really looks icy. So yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and open the box. I'll show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna connect it to our PC to see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We get an instruction manual and the keyboard. By the way, the keyboard is wired, so you will need to provide your own USB Type-C cable, USB Type-A to USB Type-C or Type-C to Type-C, depends how many Type-C ports you have available on your device, that being your Mac, your laptop, your PC. And let's start with the small stuff first, basically the manual, because that's what we get. So this is a manual in 2 languages, and it's Mandarin, Chinese, and English. So if we have a look at the English version, we have some product overview right here. So connection is USB 2.0, 480 megabytes a second. I think they mean not megahertz. Interface type USB Type-C. Device name Slice75, 80 keys, 1.3 key rollover, supports both 6 key rollover and full function key rollover. By the way, this works, the keyboard works with Windows and Mac and Linux, and you can switch between modes with some key combination. That's why I suggest you give this a read before you use the keyboard, so you can basically understand what the keyboard can do and its capabilities, and to use it at its max potential. We have some parameters right here. Key actuation travel from 0.005 to 3.35 millimeter, adjustable for all keys. Key sensitivity, it's 0.005 millimeter. Full key scanning is 32,000 hertz. USB pulling rate, it's 8K, so 8,000 hertz. Response time 0.1 millisecond, and latency about 0.1 milliseconds from key press to computer signal processing. System compatibility, as I said, basic functions, we have RGB, we have all the goodies, and pretty much that's it. Now if we have a look at the keyboard, we have the 80 keys, obviously with the 75% layout. We have a CHILKEY logo right here, which is pretty nice. Page up, page down, insert and delete. And on the back, this keyboard is really heavy, by the way. It's made out of CNC aluminum, and it sounds absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you guys in a second once we test it. We got 4 rubber feet on all the corners of the back of the keyboard, and on top right here we have the USB Type-C port, which is used to connect the keyboard to your device. And apart from that, that's it. That's pretty much what we get in the box, and some basic functions of the keyboard. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get a USB Type-C cable. I'm gonna connect it to my PC, and I'm gonna show you guys how the RGB looks like, how to change the RGB, and how the keyboard sounds. Everybody loves a good sound test of the keys, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks when it's all set up. Obviously I set it up with the cable going to the front of my PC, but if you got time and you got the cable management skills, basically you can wire it nice and you won't even notice it if you don't like wires on your setup like me. This is how it looks. The RGB is absolutely amazing. If you press the FN and page up, you can change the RGB. You go like 20 presets or something like that. Absolutely great. The keyboard looks really good. If you want a solid color, I think you can press page down from what I know, but I'm not really sure. I have to consult the manual again. But yeah, basically it looks really good. If you press FN and arrow down, obviously you have no RGB, and to increase the brightness, just go FN arrow up. Absolutely great. The keyboard is also super responsive. Of course, that 8000 Hz polling rate is never gonna let you down. As you can see, I'm pressing the Windows key. It's almost instant. And I want to do a sound test now, so I'm going to get the camera with the microphone as close to the keyboard as I can, and I am going to press some keys, so basically you guys can hear how the keyboard sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that now. It sounds absolutely amazing. I really love it, especially for a magnetic keyboard. There's not a lot of magnetic keyboards that sound like this, but I think this keyboard uses Gateron Jade Pro magnetic switches, which of course it's a plus. This keyboard has a price tag of around $200, but you are getting a lot for those $200. It's very sturdy, sounds absolutely amazing, full of features, Hall effect. And if you guys want to check it out, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.